she did that
Microwave
surgery,
TV.
it's like her whole stomach is tender. It's tender. And to tell the truth, until she forgive. Do you hear did you hear the bitterness in her voice when she said, "You fuck me, I'm gonna fuck this"? Those are evil people. Those are people that want to compare themselves. So those are not easy people to take care of. Them people, you have to trample them wicked. You have to tell them wicked things to hurt them. You understand? That girl is a bitter girl. And you should have glad that you're still alive right now, because the way that girl is evil, she will pice anybody. Spice a dirty girl, man. Spice a dirty girl, and there's a it look like it's a mad family she come from. What's that?
Spice body. Talk.
How about the blood clot you talk about? And I go along, so.
Let me hear what the best of them have to say.
Put down back that. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Alright, so who understand the Jigo part? So we clarify the Jigo part and everybody understand. Mostly I get problem. My mouse. My lap computer. Nick! Princeton, what's up? Huh? I got it. Oh. Alright, so everybody know. So we clarify the Jigo part, you clarify the uncle part, you clarify Jigo till they say me bring for help or the tax money, way. Me show you the Jigo part. And you remember me said to Jigo about the sting and all of this and the guy, the hairdresser and way. You realize this is Jigo there, Ray. We not tell a lie, that's a receipt, so me can't get no sue. When me try to tell my royal family, everything when me say, me can't get no sue feet is not allegation, me have my receipt. I'm going to say something to you. You notice the Spice come back right now and me still have the receipt them. Let me show you something. Look. 3 different, look at my 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that 3 different number me have with Spice?
Auntie, how much phone you have?
Wally, but is that Wally? 3 different, me have 5 phone. 3.
And from what year you know Spice?
Eh?
What year you know Spice?
I remember, I think 2 years before Sting, where she clash.
Okay. That are with Maca Diamond?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jesus, so no man. And you're a true friend, right?
And me start her career with my money and the man you just talked to.
So what have she ever done for you good?
No! Say that this one me I tell you, after me tell him me get the shop and me get the rich man and the rich man, all him want to pussy wall too. Because, to him, let me tell you, him know me the life. Me not ask Christ. So he hear my ball out say, oh, me never say that. Me never say that. Because I know I get in the mix up. Immediate specific poison. And him first tell me, say, no, you hear him say no deal with her? Because guess what? He must say she ungrateful. From him lend her the money, him are the first one that tell me, say, you know, say Spice ungrateful to, I say, because, oh, she stay and Ray. But the problem is like, him a fuck her and then, he say mind change. Let me tell you what it mean. Him a fuck her and him a say mind change, him a say, Grace's style and of him style.
Yes.
So him a go and fuck her and him tap fuck her and me a call him a force. So it's like, when him not appear in the mind, now me have to go back and say, so why you not call him? Why you not call her? Call her, man. You know she like you. And I'm not gonna you know, man. I gotta, me can't bother with her, man. Honestly, girl, me can't. I mean, you call him? When he say, yeah, man, me I work for him, I pay him the mind. After me don't talk to him, next week you just tell him, say, you want $1 million, we can go buy shopping.
Carry on, you know, so me suck cocky this morning, so me can't go to church. You suck any? Me can't go, because my mouth full of sperms. So me can't go to church this morning. You can go for me, please. I must block you when you come over too. Yeah. Me did that so cocky. It was so sweet. I don't remember the Bible. That's why I take up the Bible. Move your dirty blood, carry on. That Spice go suck out a blood clot, but you won't body suck. You go like Spice a blood clot, nobody. Spice is not a blood clot, body. Spice is just a big dirty black drunk. Spice is a girl when I have blood clot, that in 2 blood clot ear, more for blood clot lip. So if Spice I send you blood clot wig. Spice now blood clot send me now. Spice a black blood clot ugly jankro. And she go call blood clot that Maca Diamond blood clot donkey. Look on blood clot Spice face when she hold it up. And Spice don't look like blood clot donkey too. Spice is one bad mind blood clot stinking whore. Thinking slut. Me da blood clot town. Born a blood clot town. I'm in a fuck a cheap hotel. And blood clot Spice go fuck every cheap hotel in a blood clot Kingston. Where all of the blood clot or then come off of the blood clot. And me know say Jigo never put him in a special blood clot room. So Spice is just one of the blood clot dog shit empire. The blood clot road. Spice the blood clot special not relevant. Say Spice have buy blood clot here for Spice not support nothing to me. Me I got blood clot church and God give me a house. Do you have a house dirty thinking pussy nasty or slut big dirty dog carry on? Do you have a blood clot?